Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to redeem reward codes on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to redeem your codes or the reward codes here in Monopoly Go, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the thing with the reward codes here is you won't be able to redeem them inside the app. So you need to go outside the app here and access your account via web browser. But don't worry, this is the official website for Monopoly Go. So what do you need to do? So you want to exit the actual game here. You want to open up any browser and just go to monopolygo.com. Now, once you are in here, you want to go and click on the login button at the top right, and you want to go ahead and choose either one of here. Now, you could go and just sign in with your Facebook account or sign in with the actual Monopoly Go app. Let's go and click on sign in with Monopoly Go. Now, this will allow you to open up Monopoly Go. Go and select Monopoly Go here. Wait for a while, and you should be logged in. As you can see right now, we are now logged in into our account. Now, once you are logged in, what you need to do, you want to go access the 3-bar icon at the top right of your screen. And from here, you should see a bunch of things. But what you're looking for is going to be the reward code section. Go ahead and select that one. Now, from here, you want to go and just enter the code or the reward code that you currently have right now. And once you've done that, go and just click on the go button, and you should be able to redeem your rewards. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.